started on the day. Before we continue with the first step, I just do this. And we're getting rid of that because it's broken. Better. And I just quickly put on a jacket because it's kind of chilly in here and I don't like that feeling that much. Finish! Hello everyone, it's me, Sina, and welcome to my channel. In case you are new here, hi, so happy to get to know you finally. In case you're a friend and just returning, hello, long time no see, but yeah, it was just a week, right? Or maybe just 2 days in case you are actually existing in my real life at the very moment because I'm living in Hiroshima, Japan. Anyways, let's get started with today's episode of how to write a resume. But what information do you need to write actually a resume? Step 1 means to write down everything in a chronological order. Step number 2. Are you still at school and you're thinking about to do your work and holiday Japan trip after you graduated? Or did you do any kind of internship already? Maybe you're already working and you have some work experience. Write that down, and that's supposed to be chronological order with the dates from the beginning, like the first day when you started, until the end. Give some further information, of course, no endless pages of words that describe what you did in detail, but just a little bit so that whoever is actually checking your work and holiday Japan application knows a little bit already of what kind of person you are. And I know you are one of the best. Step number 3. Professional experience. But what the heck does that mean? It's all about the expertise. So with that said, it's about the hobbies of languages that you can speak. It's about further skills that you got because you went to school or you had a few different jobs that you loved or hated or whatnot. So everything can be helpful to lead you to success. And now we're going down. Okay, just a quick intermission. I just take off my jacket because I'm getting warm. Let's continue. But what is actually a successful story? Well, when you have an amazing resume right from the beginning, like done, and you don't need to think about it anymore, and you are here in Japan on your work and holiday visa. You're just here for 1 year, but you want to stay longer, and you have that awesome resume? Well, you easily get a job. And that's all about a successful story, right? You're not only getting a visa for Japan on work and holiday and whatnot, but you also have real chances, or a really big chance, to stay longer. And when that's the case, hello, you're welcome. Professional and additional experience. That's the part. It's the time. So just get ready. Get your laptop or iPad or tablet or phone or pen or pencil or cat or dog, whatever you use to write it down, all the information that you just heard before. It's the time to write down everything in detail. So everything you did, everything that you're good at, every kind of certificate that you got, that you achieved, the small goals, the bigger goals, that's the part of writing it down. Like the area of the resume is just that. Professional and additional experience is the place to go. Yatta, OMG, I almost forgot to tell you, it's all about your contact. So please write down your current address in case you have one, but I think you have one, otherwise it would be a little bit strange. Your phone number or your mobile phone number. You can even write down both. Anything that is kinda, showing you or is proof that you're having an address. So sorry, it's a little bit exhausting to keep that position. Just review everything that I told you about with actually showing you my resume. And I have the feeling that my face is getting red right now, so just let's get started. Don't forget your address, please. I'm still alive though, but this is just pain in the butt. Here we are. That's my resume. Just a little hint when you're not sure about design. for your resume, you can always check out Pinterest.com or DE or whatever ending your Pinterest website has, depending on the country. But here we are, my resume. I added my name, I added a picture, there is the contact area, the education and the expertise, and there is the profile. I thought it could be maybe interesting for them to know what my background is or where I'm coming from. Professional experience I told you about. I have a second page. There are the languages that I speak or actually learn right now or interested in. Then there are the skills and my hobbies. Yes, you guessed right. On the left side there are all the information that I wanted to keep short. Of course, a professional experience, and for me professional experience continue because I did a lot, but also the additional experience of what I told you earlier. Right there in that area you write down everything that could help you out to get a job or the embassy of what you're actually interested in, and maybe they already know maybe a direction of where you could go. So be as transparent as possible, you're good to go. Let's head back to the Sina who just did yoga and is kind of waiting for us. Let's just do this. I'm not working. Free. Perfect. I'm so looking forward to drinking tea right now. Aren't you tired as well of all the yoga and writing a resume? But luckily it's done now. You don't need to think about it anymore. But I just want to let you know something, that I'm really addicted with not only tea, but also with something else. No, I'm not talking about Japanese curry. I just love that shit. But there is something sweet that I can't live without. I tried, but it really tastes like home. And there's those small yes cakes in Germany. And those little mother lovers are making me happy as well, even though I'm not a mom. But just look at that. Yes, now it's happening. That's the choco pie. And I just love those. So let's drink tea together, let's eat a choco pie and be happy. Without further ado, if you didn't do it already, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below on this video or any other helpful tips and tricks video about how to get you ready for work and holiday visa application in Japan. You're truly welcome. And yes, I'm not a yoga professional. I just like to do it because it's really helpful for pain relief, and it just makes my brain happy. Not only my brain, but also my body, and everything is just so thankful after doing yoga. Of course, not always while talking about resume. Yeah, I don't know if I ever will do that again, but we shall see. Anyhow, don't forget to hit the notification bell. I don't know if I actually mentioned that or not, because my brain is just, I need tea and I need to eat that cake. I'm sorry, but that's it for today. Mata ne, love you, and bye. See you next week. Kissy kissy, bye bye. Oh my god. The crumbs are everywhere, but I so not care right now.